morning. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-breakfast. I ate in a restaurant somewhere in Makati Avenue. Chika ko lang. Kanina, dun sa kinainan ko, merong old guy na umorder and then I think they have waited for some time. Hindi ko lang ma-recognize kung gano'n nakatagal. Pero sabi nila, they've been waiting for 30 minutes. But I don't think 30 minutes na sila nagantay. Kasi kumain na ako. Akong 30 minutes kumakain and nung nag-start ako kumain, nakaka-order pa lang siya. And then, nag-follow up siya. Ilang beses siya pabalik-balik. Then, minura na niya yung mga nandun sa counter. Personally, I feel bad for those people na nagtatrabaho lang for the restaurant. Anger is valid. However, yung murahin mo yung cashier, that's too much. No one deserves to be treated like that, diba? Kung ikaw mismo, hindi ka minumura na magulang mo, why do people deserve to be treated like that? I know how it feels to be yelled at or murahin. Dami namin customers na minumura kami every day during my call center days. And it doesn't feel good. So, you know what I did? After I ate, I went to the cashier and tell them, do not feel bad. Na ito yung pagkakasabi ko. Minura ba kayo? Minura ba kayo? We don't feel bad. I know wala naman kayong mali. It's just that hindi lang siya makapag-intay. And then they smiled back at me and then, oo nga po eh, ganun. And then they said thank you to me. I just did my piece. Because, again, I know how it feels to be yelled at, to be cursed at, and nobody should feel something like that. I mean, kahit sino, walang taong dapat nakakaramdam ng ganon, di ba? We can be kind people. Even in the most nakakagalit na situation, pwede tayong magalit. Yes, we can shout, not to anyone, not towards anyone, not even to people na hindi naman sila yung may kasalanan, di ba? Yun lang. I hope we have a great morning despite this incident. I just wanted to share it just for people to know na you can turn a bad situation into a good one.